Okay, platypuses, today you are going to use your computing lesson to find out about this person, okay? So you might recognise him from our topic all about the Great Fire of London. So actually this is a bit of a cross-curricular lesson because you are going to be using the computer, so it's computing, it's still to do with our history that we've been learning about, and also it's to do with English because you're going to be doing your research and writing your facts down, okay? So who was Samuel Pepys? Okay, I know that you have probably learnt a bit about him when you were doing research about the Great Fire of London, and you've probably seen pictures of him, and I'm sure you do know something about him. Today, though, you are going to find out a bit more information and you are going to record your facts because next week you are going to write a fact file about him, okay? So let's go on to the next slide. I'm going to show you. So what you're going to do today is can I research facts about Samuel Pepys? Okay, now this is a little bit similar to the lesson when you used the Kiddle website to find out facts about the Great Fire of London. So you're going to use Kiddle and the BBC website, which I've put below, to find out about Samuel Pepys, and you're going to record your answers using key words and phrases. Remember, when we do research, we don't actually need to write in full sentences yet. It's just facts to help us. And then we will turn those phrases or words into sentences later. So here is the Kiddle website and this is the BBC website, okay? And I'm just going to show you how to get onto them. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to go into Kiddle, okay, onto Kiddle, and you will then need to type in Samuel Pepys. Now you can type Samuel Pepys or Samuel Pepys facts. You will come up with the same thing, okay? So once you have typed in Samuel Pepys in Kiddle, do you remember why we use Kiddle? Can you tell me why? Okay, I bet you're all saying it now. Kiddle is a safe search, so we know that anything that comes up on there is a safe search for kids, okay? So you type in Samuel Pepys and then you will get a list of websites, and you can go on any of those websites today to find out facts about Samuel Pepys. But the first one that I want you to go on is the BBC bite-sized one, and it's the Who was Samuel Pepys. This is what it will look like once you go on it, okay? So there are lots of fun things here. There are facts, and I think there's a quiz, and there's a video. So watch the video, read the facts, do the quiz, and find out lots of information about Samuel Pepys. Okay, you can then, after that, you can go onto any of the other websites to find out any more facts about him, okay? But this BBC website will have lots of facts. I know that you're going to learn lots about him from this one. Now, to record your ideas today, this is how you're going to do it. So we've done this before at school. So you'll have, in the middle, you'll have the name. So you are researching about Samuel Pepys. So you want to have, turn your book maybe like sideways. So you can like do your circle and write Samuel Pepys. And then, do you remember when we do these lines going out of the middle here? And then you write facts about him. So anything you find out about him, you write these facts. This is going to help you when you do your fact file next week, okay? So I have started this off, all right? So I know that Samuel Pepys wrote a diary about the Great Fire of London. So I've put this fact here. So wrote a diary about the Great Fire of London. So that's my first fact, okay? So that will help me when I come to write my fact file next week. Now, then I do another line and I write my other fact that I've learned. So you might learn a bit more about what he did during the Great Fire of London. You might learn about his family, okay? You might learn that there are lots of things to learn about him, okay? So just write down all of those facts around here and you just do more lines to do that, okay? So I look forward to seeing your research, okay? And just make sure you record your facts clearly so that you can then use them next week to write your fact file. Okay, good luck with all of your learning today.